ulcers in stomach, contact dermatitis. So it tends to destroy that surface which it touches. So one more important indications that has been given in Ayurveda is that when there has been a injury or some kind of thing due to which that part has lost its melanin, leukoderma. You know, डॉक्टर मेरे को इधर इंजरी हुआ तब से ये white patch है, भर के ही नहीं आता है. You know, hypopigmented patch, and then they are very scared कि अरे ये तो leukoderma होगा, ये तो फिर vitiligo, फिर ये फैलेगा क्या? Very important remedy for that kind of leukoderma, anacardium. हाँ? किसको? हाँ. There are two types of white patches. One is leukoderma and other is vitiligo. In vitiligo it is hereditary. In leukoderma it is because of any cause that is external. Whether injury, there are many causes. Contact dermatitis, बहुत सारे causes है leukoderma. Leukoderma is treatable. Vitiligo is not treatable. It is inherent disorder. हाँ? Look wise same. Look wise they look same. But vitiligo is more extensive all over body. एकदम वो बाल से लेके सब कुछ white रहता है ना? Albinism. So another thing is when this liquid comes out, no, it immediately the moment it is exposed to air, it turns into black color. So the common name of anacardium is marking nut. It is used क्योंकि उसको किधर भी लिखोगे कुछ करोगे तो immediately it leaves a mark or a stain. That is why it is called marking nut. So because of this quality, it has been used for hair dyes. You know, hair dye करते हैं black, and then they have what? Contact dermatitis. डॉक्टर वो हेयर डाई लगाया फिर वो बहुत सीवियर मेरे को रैश आ गया है, lot of itching, oozing, eczema with crust formations. So the peculiar eczema of anacardium is weeping eczema. उसको बोलते हैं weeping eczema. Weeping eczema means what? When there are lot of vesicles in it with lot of oozing of fluid. So you got the second quality. Second quality is what? Is because of the oil that comes out. How is that oil? It is corrosive. So because of that, suppose it touches the skin, what will happen? Allergic reactions, and typical condition is contact dermatitis. How is the eczema or the dermatitis? Weeping, vesicular crust formations with lot of discharge. Good. If it touches the stomach, then ulcers, specifically duodenal ulcer. Good. If it touches the skin, then another feature, leukoderma. If it touches the hair, then
eczema.
if it touches the hair, then
Allergic.
one is yes. Dye. First is it is used as a hair dye, and then because of that, contact dermatitis. ठीक है? That is the second quality. First was what? Slows down, and this gives what? Fire. Cold inside, cold outside. So it gives you fire from within. adapt to that cold outside. That is its main action. अंदर बाहर बहुत ठंडी है तो अंदर शरीर भी ठंडा हो रहा है, सब कुछ स्लो हो रहा है उसकी वजह से। अभी मेरे को गर्मी चाहिए, उसके लिए आयुर्वेद में बोलते हैं एनाकार्डियम खाओ, बिल्वा खाओ, है ना, उसका चाय बना के पियो, तो फिर गर्मी आएगी शरीर में, तो आपका जॉइंट पेन कम होगा, आपका डाइजेशन इंप्रूव होगा, ऑल दैट इज फर्स्ट क्वालिटी। सेकंड इज व्हाट?
This is called Vibha.
चाय में डालते हैं ना इसको, चाय में नहीं, चाय में
दूध
हाँ दूध और घी में, वही देखा पॉइजनस रहता है, तो बराबर है, इट शुड बी टेकन विद घी और मिल्क एंड इन वेरी लेस क्वांटिटी।
डायरेक्टली वोट से उसको अप्लाई
फूड पे डाल दें। सो दैट इज द थर्ड क्वालिटी। थर्ड क्वालिटी इज इट इज एस्ट्रिंजेंट, है ना। द फ्रूट हैज एस्ट्रिंजेंट प्रॉपर्टीज। एस्ट्रिंजेंट मतलब क्या? Okay, before that, let me show you some pictures of the dermatitis. Okay, this is contact dermatitis. Watch का, हाँ, necklace या कोई तो ornament के वजह से specific spots. This is weeping eczema. You can see vesicles, fluid filled. You scratch and थोड़ा wet दिखता है ना? You see it is wet. ऐसा दिखता है. Hair dye. For leukoderma. This is how it looks, black color. Okay. So the third quality is astringent. What is astringent? Means causing the contraction of skin cells and other body tissues. That is why it is used for wound healing. है ना, अल्सर्स, वुंड हीलिंग में टू क्लोज द अल्सर, टू क्लोज द वुंड, बिकॉज इट बेसिकली कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स and produces lot of heat, so there can be no infections there. As an astringent skin lotion. So synonyms of astringent are constricting, contracting, constrictive, constringent, styptic. The lotion has a mildly astringent quality. So you see, constricting, contracting, and constrictive. This is main sensation that you get in this family. If you look at the plant sensation that Dr. Shankaran has given us, it is the sensation of feeling stiff, tight, constricted, confined, and inability to move because of that. That is the main sensation of the Anacardiaceae family. Stiff, constriction, tight, inability to move. So because of this quality, it is used for wound healing, for controlling bleeding. And homeopathically we know, because the main remedy that we know from this family, Rustox, have constriction of muscles, stiffness of muscles, inability to move, all that kind of things. So joint affection is common to all remedies in this family. Muscles, joints, ligament, because they contract, they tighten up, they stiffen up. Why? Due to cold weather, no? External factor. So there is one more meaning of astringent. It says sharp or severe in manner or style. Her astringent words had their इफेक्ट, एकदम सीवियर वर्ड्स, ऐसे वर्ड्स यूज करने की कि सामने वाले को बहुत हर्ट होना चाहिए. मेक श्योर दैट द ऑपोजिट पर्सन इज कंप्लीटली हर्ट. Severe, sharp, stern, harsh, rough, caustic. So you see, it is very hard, astringent matlab. So this is one more quality that you will see in this family, that they are very severe and harsh, which we will see later on, when especially when we study the mental picture of the remedy. ठीक है, अभी तक समझा तीन क्वालिटीज? यस और नो?
Yes, yes, yes.